Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, this was the painting that I originally wanted to share with you today, but unfortunately, my camera cut off because my memory is full. So, I'm just cleaning up the edges to move her out of the way so you can get a good look at her. I'm calling it Blue Velvet, and you'll get to see the dried results at the end. So, let me tell you what we're doing today. What I actually did with this painting that I'm moving out of the way. I'm going down with a base that's Soft Body Black by Artist Loft mixed with Russian Blue by Amsterdam. So it has a slight bluish tint to the base. And what I'm going to do is go over the base with swirls, ribbon-like swirls of color that will overlap. And I'll be swiping through those swirls. And after I swipe, I'll be adding a little gold here and there, along with a little cell activator as well. And I'm just going to blow out a few spots that I feel like go with the composition. And then I'll be spinning it out. And for both of these paintings, I used a very thin layer of base because I didn't want it expanding out too much. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just spreading that out and getting my base leveled and ready for the pour. Okay, so most of the colors that I'm using today are custom mix, but this first one, this is a sour yellow by Arteza. It's an iridescent, and I'm going to speed this up a little bit. And since most of these colors are custom, I'll just tell you some of what I used. The blues, I used Prussian blue, combination of Prussian blue, Amsterdam's greenish blue. I also used a little bit of Blue Flash by Deco Art. It's a really pretty iridescent color. I also used a Treasure Gold that I put a little Prussian blue in. And I also used a little bit of Pebeo greenish blue. So there you have it. And I'm going to put on a little music for you guys to go ahead and enjoy this painting. Thanks so much for being here. Remember, I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you're enjoying the painting, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I hope you guys have a very beautiful, beautiful day.